Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last two videos, I have been showing you how to load or populate a combo box with your MySQL database using your Visual Basic Windows Form application like this. And when you select any item in the combo box, the corresponding values from the database may appear or should come into these text boxes. So in the last two videos I have been showing you this, and in this video I will show you how to do exactly the same things with the list box. So let's get started. It's not much if you have already seen last two videos for combo box. Just go to the text box or toolbox and take a list box from here, and what I'm going to do is I will go to the form load event. So if you have seen the video number 9, in that I have shown you how to populate your combo box with the database values. So in that I have shown you how to write a code in this form load event. So just select your form and just double click it, and in the form load event I have shown you how to populate or a combo box with the database values, which is this one. So in here I have shown you all the code to load a combo box. So you don't need to change much in this code in order to load the values in the list box. What you need to do is just go to this while loop, and in here I have written the code in the video number 9, combo box dot items dot add. So just below this line, just write the name of your list box, which is listbox1 dot items. So list box also contains items, and it also has the function called add. So what I have done basically is just replace the or just added this list box instead of combo box, and all will remain same. What this line will do is it will populate the list box with name values. And if you don't know how I have written all this code for loading the combo box with the database value, just go to the video number 9 and you will understand how I have done it. Okay, and now when I run the program, I will give the username and password, and you see here all the values from the database is the same as we have seen in the combo box also, and it's populated in the list box also, right? So this is how to populate a list box in the same manner as your combo box. Now next is to show the values in the text boxes corresponding to these names, which are fetched from the database, right? So for that you also don't need to do much. You just go to the code where I have written the code to populate these text boxes corresponding to the value selected in the combo box, and this I have shown you in the last video. So if you don't know this code, just see the last video in which I have shown you how to show corresponding values in the text box which is selected in the combo box. Just copy all the code from here and just select your list box and double click it and paste it here. Okay, and in this code I'm just going to change one line of code, which is I'm going to just change the query of this MySQL query string, right? So what you need to change in this query is just replace the name of the combo box with a list box, listbox1.text, and all the code will remain same. And if you don't know how I have written this code, just watch the last video, right? And just change in this query string, select star from database dot the table name, where name is equal to, instead of combo box, just replace the combo box with the list box, and this will work fine. Let's check whether this code is working or not once again. And username and password, and when I select some name in the list box, the corresponding values to the name in the database will appear here. So this is also working. It's just like combo box, but this list box is to show all the values or list all the values, and combo box is just to select, right? So in this way you can populate your list box and show the corresponding values selected in the list box to the text boxes. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.